Hey, what's up, millionaires? Welcome back to Millions, where we help you take control of your financial future. Today, we're talking about something that's going to be a game changer for you in 2025, how to make money work for you. If you're tired of just working for money and want to learn how to create passive income, invest smarter, and build long-term wealth, stick around because we're diving deep into strategies that work. Alright, so let's talk about why 2025 is the perfect time to start making money work for you. The financial landscape is changing fast. AI, automation, and crypto are transforming how we earn, invest, and grow our wealth. If you're still following old-school financial advice, you might be missing out on huge opportunities. The key now is understanding how these new tools work and how to leverage them. But don't worry, I'm going to break down exactly what you can do to stay ahead of the game. But first, if you're enjoying the video so far and want more tips on financial freedom and smart investing, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. First up, let's talk passive income. Whether it's through investing in dividend stocks, creating digital products, or renting out properties, multiple income streams are key in 2025. You don't want to rely on just one source of income. For example, digital products like ebooks or courses are a great way to make money while you sleep. Trust me, it's easier than ever with tools available today. And by the way, if you're looking for resources to help you get started, I've linked some of my favorite tools in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Next, let's talk investments. In 2025, you've got way more options than just the stock market. Crypto and blockchain technology continue to grow, and ETFs are still a great way to diversify your portfolio. But here's the thing, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Make sure to balance your risk with safer investments like bonds or real estate. If you're interested in learning more about how to start investing with small amounts or where to find the best platforms for crypto trading, again, all the links are in the description below. Another smart move for 2025, automation. We're living in the age of AI, and there are amazing tools out there that can help you automate your savings, investments, and even your budgeting. Robo-advisors are getting better and better at managing your portfolio for you. So why spend hours stressing over market trends when AI can help make those decisions? Don't sleep on these technologies, guys. They can literally save you time and increase your profits. I've dropped links to some of the best platforms for automating your finances below. So, what are you waiting for? Making money work for you isn't a fantasy. It's completely possible, especially with the tools available today. It's all about taking small steps that lead to big changes. Whether it's investing, starting a side hustle, or automating your savings, the sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. It really helps the channel out. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to build your financial future. Plus, I want to hear from you. What's your plan for making money work for you in 2025? Drop a comment below and let's chat. Also, remember to check out the links in the description for all the tools and resources we talked about today. Until next time, keep investing in yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the next video to learn more about growing your wealth.